Hello, welcome to the Upper Manhattan Monthly Townhouse Market Update. I'm Robb from Harlem Lofts. Been doing these for a couple of decades. We're located at 124th and Lenox Avenue. Please look at the resources in the description below. If you're on YouTube, which is the best place to watch this, subscribe and enable notifications. You'll also find us on the following platforms, along with some of our off-market properties and other good stuff. We are going to go over the report. We have 4 things that we do monthly: active listings, in contract, closed and recorded, and then my outlook on the market, plus the questions that were asked this month on the different platforms. We'll answer a couple of those for you. Let's get started. Okay, active listings, and boy do we have some. There are 104 townhouses on the market right now on the listing syndication platforms, the major ones. That's a record. I've not seen that many, I would say 10 years. So there's plenty of properties out there for you buyers. 104 is extreme, and don't forget we have the off-market stuff that is more than ever as well. So I'm guessing 120 townhouses to choose from right now. So brand new listings, there were 18 new listings hit the market in May. 17 of those are brand new. One of those is a relisted property. What left the market? 10 properties left the market. 3 of those went into contract, and 7 of those were delisted by the owners and brokers. So let's break it down by class. Out of the 104 properties, what price ranges are they in? But 26 of those are below $2 million. $2 to $3 million is 39. $3 to $4 million, 26, which is, that keeps going up. And we have 13 above $4 million right now, which we've always said that market, the 3 and 4 and 4 up, more properties are going to enter the market in that range, and it's happening. New discounts, there are 15 new discounts this month. So inventory is returning at an all-time high, therefore the discounts are coming. So that's the way it works. Okay, so in contract, what do we have in contract? Currently in contract, there's 21. That's up from 19 last month. Added to that list is 4 properties, and removed from that list is 2. Out of the 2 that were removed, 1 is closed and recorded, 1 shows closed but not recorded. We don't have any reason to believe that it won't record, so that'll probably record by next report. Breakdown by price. You have 7 under $2 million in contract, 2 to $3 million 11, 2 properties that are 3 to $4 million, and 1 above $4 million. So let's talk about the closed and recorded properties. Okay, so closed and recorded, there are only 4 properties closed and recorded. Remember, 2 of them were in contract. That means that 2 properties sold directly and never went into contract on the listing platforms. So out of the 4 that closed and recorded, there were 14 last month. Recordings are down. There were 2 1 to 2 family homes, and there were 2 investment properties, which is 3 and 4 family homes. There were 0 SROs sold last month in May. Something to note, out of the categories, price per square foot on the 1 and 2 family homes went from $614 last month. This is year over year. Now, year over year for this month is $725. That's up 18% on the price per square foot. While 3 family homes went from $2 million to $2.161 as far as average price, and price per square foot went from $482 to $532. That's up 10%. SROs, price per square foot went from $503 to $510. Now, the data pool's smaller, but each month the numbers are getting bigger. They're still going up. So less transactions this month, but the prices continue to rise per square foot and average prices. All right, so my outlook on the market. One question that was on YouTube first. Please ask more questions, people. I really want to be put to the test here, so throw the questions on YouTube and I'll answer them. A question from JM. Would love to see more thanks for your compliments first. Would love to see additional information on townhouse investors, specifically on rental trends. Well, if you're following the rental market, it's up at least 15% to 30% since COVID. Outrageous. So think about it. You've got your interest rates. Yes, they're creeping up, 1%, but your rents are going up 15 to 30%. So those investments, 3 to 4 family homes that were investment properties that had $100,000 rent rolls now have $130,000 rent roll. It's still a great time to buy an investment property, especially with the rental market like it is. So what does that mean to pricing on these units? Well, 1 and 2 family homes, people buy with their heart and emotion. But if you're going to buy an investment property, there's no emotion. You buy with your calculator. So right now, if you're selling an investment property and your rents are up 30%, then your capitalization rate is up. It's a good time to sell an investment property. It's also a good time to buy an investment property if you know more about the rental market than the person you're buying it from. So we can help you on either side of that equation. Give us a call or stop by our office. Okay, my outlook on the market. So I'll continue with that question as far as it pertains to my outlook on the market. My outlook on the market has always been buyers will be returning to the city. It's taken them longer, I admit it, than I wanted it to. But now with the rental market like it is, investors are going to come back. After investors come back, the homeowners follow. I think it's a great time to purchase an investment property with the higher rents in place, and the prices are still from 2017 pricing. It really hasn't changed but so much. So if you do believe in New York City and you do believe in urban areas, this is a good time to purchase before everybody catches on that the rental market is up 30%. So buy your investment property now, park it. There's townhouses with $200,000 in income coming in a year, and you can get them for what, $2.5 million? I don't know. I'm looking at my stock market, and it's hard for me to consider buying stocks right now when I have this real estate play. So maybe I'm a little off balance and I'm a little focused more on real estate, but it doesn't take a brain surgeon to figure out 30% higher rents are going to mean the prices are going to go up on the rental investment properties. All right, so that's my little mini outlook. But if you want to sit down and have a 20-minute conversation, just give us a call and let's sit down in the yurt over here and let me talk to you about your real estate portfolio. I've been doing this a while. Okay, questions in the YouTube comment section. Use that so we can answer them next week. Please go to our Harlem Lofts website for resources. All of our reports, everything is there. Links in the description below will help you out. Subscribe, enable notifications on YouTube, and find us on the following platforms. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in July, around July 15th. Happy summer.